Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to display CMS content dynamically on your website, collection list makes it super easy. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to add collection lists to a page in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. Then tap on the website, log in using your email address and password. Then basically we're gonna tap here, go all the way. Okay, let's go back to the designer. Now it's time to open the page you want to edit. Go to the page where you want the CMS content. For example, we have multiple pages here whatsoever. It depends on you. Then add a collection list from the add panel. Drag a collection list onto the page. Collection list wrapper, awesomeness, vision, simplicity, and all of this. You can also access the settings here, products, and all of this. We can see collection wrap. You can basically see the collection items and all of these options. After choosing a collection, select which CMS collection to display as I told you. Then design the layout by adding images, checks, and buttons inside the collection items. Then bind CMS feeds. Connect each element to the correct CMS field, then set the collection list settings. Adjust item count, sorting, and even filtering. So basically it depends on you. Current product page, none, it depends on you. These options also. Preload default. Choose a page, that's the page selection, email, phone, and whatsoever, multiple options. After being fully done, you can then preview the page and save the options, then tap on publish. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.